Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Los Angeles English, the channel where English feels real, relaxed, and fun. I'm Sarah.
Hey, Sarah. Hi, everyone. It's so great to be here with you today. I'm feeling really good and full of energy.
I love to hear that, John. You're smiling a lot today. Did you have a nice morning?
I did. I had a pretty big breakfast. Pancakes, fruit, and a huge cup of coffee. So yeah, I'm ready to talk. How about you, Sarah? How's your day going?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. The weather here in Los Angeles is beautiful today. The sky is blue, the sun is out, and honestly, that always puts me in a good mood.
Same here. Sunshine just makes everything better. It's definitely a perfect day to record a podcast.
It really is, and I'm excited because today's topic is something our listeners ask us about all the time.
Oh, I think I know. Are we talking about sounding more natural in English?
Exactly. Today we're sharing simple ways to sound more fluent when you speak English.
That's such an important topic. A lot of learners think fluency is something magical or very difficult.
Yes, and the good news is it's not. You don't need perfect grammar or a huge vocabulary to sound fluent.
That's great news, because English has a lot of words.
Way too many. But before we jump into today's tips, we have a quick favor to ask.
Yes, friends, if you enjoy our conversations and find them helpful, please hit the like button.
And don't forget to subscribe to Los Angeles English so you never miss a new episode.
Also, share this podcast with a friend who's learning English. Learning is always more fun together.
Thank you so much for your support. All right, John, let's get started. What does fluent really mean?
Good question. A lot of people think fluency, it means speaking very fast.
Right, but speaking fast doesn't always mean speaking well.
Exactly. Sometimes when people speak too fast, it's actually harder to understand them.
Fluency is more about flow. It's about sounding comfortable and relaxed when you speak.
Like waves at the beach. They don't rush, they move smoothly.
I love that example. So our first tip for sounding fluent is something very easy. Use contractions.
Contractions like I'm, you're, and we're?
Yes, instead of saying I am, native speakers usually say I'm.
True. Saying I'm tired sounds much more natural than I am tired.
Exactly. Textbooks often teach the long forms, but real conversations use the short ones.
And that includes negatives too. Do not becomes don't and cannot becomes can't.
I use don't all the time. Like, I don't like traffic in LA. Same. Contractions help your English sound smoother and less robotic. Okay, what's the next tip?
I think connecting words are super important.
Yes, words like and, but, so, and because.
Beginners often speak in short sentences. I like coffee, I like tea, I like juice. But fluent speakers connect ideas. I like coffee, but I also enjoy tea.
Exactly, or I stayed home because it was raining.
These words help your thoughts flow naturally.
They're like glue holding your sentences together.
Great example. Now, here's a fun one. Filler words.
Oh, words like well, actually, and you know?
Yes, many learners think filler words are bad, but in real conversations, they're very normal.
They give you time to think without staying silent.
Right. Saying, well, let me think, sounds much more natural than saying nothing.
And it shows you're thinking in English.
Exactly. Words like actually and you know make conversations feel friendly and real.
Another important point, we don't need to be perfect.
That's huge. Even native speakers make mistakes.
All the time. If you make a small grammar mistake, just keep going. Don't stop the conversation to fix everything.
Fluency is about confidence, not perfection.
If you smile, relax, and keep talking, people will understand you.
Listening is also very important.
Yes, listen to podcasts, movies, shows, and music.
Pay attention to rhythm and stress in English.
We stress important words and relax the small ones.
Like, I want to go to the store.
That rhythm makes English sound natural.
And don't forget linking words together.
Like check it out or an apple. It sounds like one smooth sound, not separate words.
All these small things make a big difference.
Before we finish, let's do a quick practice conversation.
Great idea. I'll start. Hey, Sarah, how's it going?
Well, actually, I'm a little tired, but I'm feeling good. How about you?
I'm doing great. I grabbed a coffee earlier, so I'm full of energy. Want to sit outside?
I wasn't sure, but you know what? Let's do it.
Perfect. Let's check it out. See, that sounded very natural.
Exactly. And you can practice like this at home, even talking to yourself.
Or your pet. They never judge your grammar. As we wrap up, let's quickly review.
Use contractions, connect your ideas, and don't be afraid of filler words.
Listen to real English, copy the rhythm, and keep going, even if you make mistakes.
Most importantly, relax and enjoy speaking.
We believe in you.
Now it's your turn. Leave a comment and tell us your favorite tip from today, or share a contraction you use a lot.
Thank you so much for listening.
Don't forget to subscribe to Los Angeles English and share this episode.
It was great talking with you today.
Always a pleasure. I think I'm going to grab another coffee now.
Save one for me.
Will do. Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye. See you next time.